Guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. I'll just tell you, we try and start the Jeep tonight. It's exciting. So I recorded this video over about a 3.5 week period. Basically, we were so busy in the shop, I literally did not have time to edit. So when we would go out, we would work on the truck for a little bit, work on it in the shop, work on it outside, and I just would gather video. So this is a culmination of all of that. We will be sending it on its way in the next video, which should drop in the next few days. And then we are going to Rocky Mountain Race Week. So we're finishing up the cart and getting stuff done, and that'll be a video that'll come out in the next few days as well. So I want to say thanks for everybody that's watched the Jeep LS swap so far. This playlist is one of our highest viewed playlists, so we certainly appreciate that. We post every Tuesday and Friday night at 7 p.m. on YouTube, and you can find just about daily updates on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Thanks, guys. Well, that's fucked up. This thing's beat to hell. So I'm gonna try and bend it out and see if it'll keep water in it. Fuckers. All right, guys, 7 a.m. out here, second day in a row, trying to get some work done before I start on my day job. Pulled all of the covering off the wires back there. Gonna really try and clean that up some because this is unacceptable. All the wiring here going good. All right. So I'm going to put the OBD2 right there on those two pieces for the hood latch. All right, guys, got the OBD2 mounted there. Used factory screws on both, and it's nice and out of the way and barely visible. So that's obviously the main thing. Inside, we want to keep the interior looking as stock fresh as possible. Oh man, I'm so excited about this. So this is the factory Jeep throttle cable, which obviously is not long enough. So I had Logan, the owner, pull the Tahoe throttle cable. Guys, look at this right here. Look at that. It clips in exactly the same way. And look at this stuff. They're identical. I mean, even the throw is pretty close. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be awesome. So it should just clip right in. I'm gonna do that and put the throttle cable on. All right, guys, are you watching here? So we have 2 yellows that run to a red and brown that then was too long, so they just looped it, taped it up. Brown was too long. Oh, shit. We better tie it into this green right here. The green wire ran to one of the solenoids. Okay. Another one runs to the alternator. So, this is the kind of shit, this is why people hate wiring LS swaps. There's the LS swap stuff, but you gotta sort through all that shit. I mean, 3 different wire colors and everything, it's ridiculous. All right, guys, I'm not going to show you this, but show you the work on it because it'll be boring. But we ordered, had Logan order adapters from coldhose.com. Essentially, it'll take, these will mount into the LS compressor, and this should bolt to the Jeep air conditioning lines. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning and I didn't sleep very well. So, trying to get as much done early as I can. Yeah. All right, guys, now that we know it turns over, I actually started it for a second right after I ran that video, but now it's time to clear up and clean a lot of that stuff. Now that we know it works. Like, just look how bad this looks. That's what I'm talking about. Look how much nicer that looks. I'll loom all of the wires that go across there. Then, all right, guys, I feel so much better about that. So we moved all these over here, and look at the difference. It's amazing. All right, so hey, just wanted to say thanks again. Certainly appreciate it. If you made it all the way to the end of this video without subscribing, we'd love for you to do that. So thanks a bunch, guys. See you soon.